Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video, we discussed about basics of tuples, right? In that video, we discussed some topics like what is tuple and how to access tuple and how to apply slicing for tuples and type method and how to create a tuple with only one element, right? Make sure you watch that video and come to this video. The link of that video is in description below and above icon. Okay. In this video, we are going to discuss some more topics in tuples. Today agenda is how to join two tuples and how to loop through tuple items and three methods in tuples. They are length method, index method and count method. So, get into the video. First, joining two tuples, right? Suppose I have tuple T1 and T2 and I want a tuple T3 which contain tuple T1 elements and tuple T2 elements. To do that, I have to join two tuples T1 and T2 and I have to store the result in tuple T3, right? Let me show this with example. This is my sublime. I'm going to take my T1 is equal to, right? And T2 is equal to, I want to join these two tuples. And I'm taking T3, I want to store this result in T3. T3 is equal to T1. To join two tuples, here we use plus operator. Plus T2. Okay, let me print my tuple T3. Print T3. Okay, let me run this. Control B. See, our T3 tuple have both elements in T1 and T2. This is joining two tuples. We can perform up to n number tuples. Suppose I have T4. I want to join these two. So I use plus T4. Okay, let me run this. See, this is also added. Next, loop the elements in the tuple. To do that, I am using for loop. See here, my tuple even have elements like names Basha and Ram and Raz and Stacy. Okay, I'm using for loop here. I already explained how to use for loop in previous videos. Please watch that video. The link of that video is in description. Okay, for name in T1. Here name is a variable. This is your choice. We can use any variable. I use name here. You can use x, y, n, anything. Okay. Point name. Okay. I'm going to run this. Control B. See, all the names in the tuple is printed. Basha, Ram, Raz, and Stacy. For each iteration, the variable name value changes. For first iteration, the variable name contain value Basha. For second iteration, its value became Ram. For third iteration, value became Raj, and for fourth iteration, value became Stacy. If I add elements to this, this is the element character name, right? Siva. We run this. See, this also printed. Tony and Siva. Now methods. Here I will discuss three methods: len method, index method, and count method. So first, len method. To know the size of a tuple, that is to know how many elements in the tuple, we use this len method. See example, if my tuple T1 have elements like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I print len of T1. Control B, run this. See, 5 is printed. I have 5 elements in my tuple, that's why it's print 5. Okay, this is the len method. Next, index method. The index method return the index value, that is position in the tuple for a specified element. If specified element is present in the tuple for more than one time, the index method return first occurrence of the specified element. Okay, see the syntax: tuple dot index, and in the round brackets we have to give value. This index method take only one parameter, that is value that is required the element to search in the tuple and return index value. See the example. My tuple even have elements like A and B, C, D and E. My tuple and point one dot index, and I give value is D. We run this. See, it return P. P is the index value of D, right? These are index values, and D index value is 3, right? That's why it return 3. If I change D to A, run this. See, 0 is printed. 0 is the index value of A. Okay, if I change this to C, 2 is printed. If I give any element other than tuple elements, it will return an error. If I give F and run this, see, it give error, not in the tuple. Okay, I'll explain with another example. Now if I use an index method here, given dot index, and I want to know index number of 3, I'm going to run this, it will return 1, but the index number of 3 is 1, 2 and 7. But I already told you the index method return first occurrence of the specified element. That's why I return 1 as our output. If I give 1 here, it will return 5. Index value of 1 is 5, right? It's appear only one time in the list. That's why I return 5. And if I give 2 here, return 0. First occurrence of 2 is at 0th index. That's why it return 0. You want me to teach more about this Python? Make sure you comment below. Hey, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Finally, count method. This method we already discussed in list 2 previous video. Same here. Count method return how many times a specified element appear in the tuple. See the syntax: tuple dot count, and in the round brackets we have to give value. Value parameter is an element to search and return number of times this specified element appear in the tuple. So example, my tuple T1 have values like, this is my tuple T1. I want to count how many times the number 3 is appear in tuple. So I use count method, that is print dot count and number 3. Run this. The 3 is printed. Say number 3 is appeared 3 times in the tuple. That's why I return 3. If I give 1, it's 2. Number 1 is appeared 2 times in tuple. Okay, this is count method. Finally, assignment. Assignment is loop through the elements in the tuple using while loop. Here I used for loop, but you use while loop and try it. I already explained what is while loop and how to use the while loop in previous videos. The link of the while loop is also in the description. Please check it out and comment your code in comment section below. I will discuss the answer in next video. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you for watching.